the hood vents put in. Got some push pins, got those put in. So got that done the other day, and installed those to give a little lift. Got my assistant here, as you can tell. And then I got the Ironman 4x4 fab adjustable shackle. So got that done too. So now I'll get my stuff gathered up and we'll see if we can do these rock sliders.
For the victory lap though. Whoa, whoa. They ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I should overcome, what for? Train under trees, please pardon my sycamore. Touch burning sands, cross lands and stormy shore seasons in the year, yeah. Ain't no challenge for champions and chain no fear. Yup, the champ is here, switch gears. We're keeping haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat and tears and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. I see my victory so clear. And today, we break through. 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 I know it's lonely at the tip. For the victory lap though.
Yay, one pass done. Oh, and it's gonna rain on me. So got the ends all welded shut. So and I'll go in here. I gotta go in here and I'm gonna redo all this inside here anyway. So I got this out here trimmed where I want it, and then we'll redo all this in here eventually. So I'm not too worried about that at the moment. So yeah, getting closer. So now push the trigger on my welder. So now I gotta bend this over onto here, and then we'll weld it down, and we'll save you guys the headache of that, because one, welding this to this sucks, and upside down makes it suck even more, and there'll be a whole lot of bleeping or just music in this video if I video that part, because it sucks and it makes me say bad words. So we'll leave it at that, and I'll show you the finished product. So we had a little camera trouble, but passenger side is done. So got that all. Well, we're all painted and on and finished. So in the front fender you have to cut it and then fold it under, and then I just welded it right here in case I need to take it off. I can undo that with a grinder, and then when I finally put a cage on this, I left enough area here that I can run that down, and I'll have to trim that, then I can run my pipe and run it up. So huck sliders are done. So now the next free day I've got, let's see if we can do some lower door armor, and yeah, got shocks coming for the other pieces I put on here, since we lifted it another 2.5 inches. So hopefully they get here and we'll show all that. So we're gonna call it a night. Well, it's raining, so we've moved into the Quonset, and we're finishing our door armor. So hopefully I can get most of this side videos without any interruptions. So this is a pretty decent kit. I like the thickness of the metal and everything, and the bends are close, but this end here I had to do some trimming to make it fit right, which, whatever, it's not bad. I wish they came with better instructions. They do give you some nut certs where you need them, but and I figured out the hole size, and I drilled it so that these will just thread in and hold things a little tighter and a little better. So anyway, make sure everything lines up, and then I'm putting silicone on mine to try and seal the edge, so that hopefully dirt and water doesn't get behind there and cause more issues. I've got a little rust here, but not overly worried about it. I'm hoping that'll seal to keep from having more back here. So most of the bolts come through on the inside of the door. They don't hit the window or anything, but some of them are entertaining to get to. Especially if you got a big bear paw and forearm like I got. At least there's nothing entertaining in these doors. Worked at some shops, you take doors apart to do window regulators and stuff, and you find Coke cans and all kind of fun stuff in the doors from previous people being in there. And I don't remember what kind of vehicle was it. One shop me and my uncle worked at, we had to take the dash out of it. We were doing a heater core or what, and definitely at the factory. I don't know if it was right before Christmas or what, but they put blocks under the window to hold it up, under the windshield. Oh man, look at a little hole in this side. The other side I learned, I dropped the nut and it fell out the hole. I learned it was a whole lot easier to poke the nut up through there and grab it than try and run it in there with your hands. Apparently this side they decided it didn't need a hole on the bottom. So we're done finally. Me and the GoPro are having disagreements on battery life. So I don't know how much everything got videoed, but anyway, it's all done. The bolts in the front door are a chore on the inside. Back door's a cinch. Yeah. Well, anyway, not a bad kit. See how everything goes with it. So, anyway, I'm gonna go in where it's not raining.